How to reset and erase data for resale on iPhone 15 in 2026. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now, before you want to erase anything, you want to make sure you go into settings and back up your data. So we go into your account at the top here. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. In here, make sure you go into iCloud backup and turn on backup. So you want to back up this iPhone. So tap on backup this iPhone, and this will allow the phone to back up all your data such as photos, videos, music, etc. Now, if your iCloud do not have enough storage space, you can back up your iPhone to your Mac computer or Windows computer. If you're on Windows, you can use iTunes and make sure all your data is back up before you go ahead and erase the device. Okay, once you have backed up your data, then what we're going to do is we go back into settings. So from the My Settings page, we scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Then tap on Continued and then choose Delete eSIM and Erase Data. So we want to erase everything, so delete eSIM and erase data. Okay, put in the passcode. Once you put in the passcode, it will try to upload the data to iCloud before erasing the device. Okay, after that, the phone will attempt to restart. So we just wait for the progress bar to finish. Okay, once it's finished, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. So simply select English, or if you want to continue to set up, simply select the language. Otherwise, simply just switch off the phone, ready for resale. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.